were flashing, but we've only got 80 miles on this tank, so there's quite a bit of gas always left in this thing. So we're going to buzz around town a little bit. We got something over here I want to look at. Yeah, there's kind of a little walkway there going down to that church. Right there, between the concrete and the post. I thought there'd be a way down there, but not wide enough for my bike. So I ain't doing that. Be careful up there in this gravel. Give it too much gas, it'll come around on you. Avoid the traffic a little bit. Charles Jones Excavations, Sanger, Texas. We know where Sanger is, don't we? Somewhere around Waco. I noticed that I stopped recording on this. There's two people in the middle of the road. Suddenly move when they leave me. When they hear me anyway. I'm sure not going to run over anybody on this thing. Nobody in this town stops for them stop signs except me, I don't. But I don't have any protection around me, so they just stop for all these things. This interesting thing happened here on the creation and editing of this. The sound of the engine and everything got off from the picture, which was kind of interesting. But this is actually the return from my slick run, and I ran around town a little bit here, and going down the residential streets over here by the casino, coming up on Main Street, and there you can see the signs of the casino standing up over there on the left. And just love to run around these little side streets like this. Take a chance of somebody's dog coming out. That's always interesting. But I think I'm just going to run here to the house, and we'll go down Main Street. They're putting in a new parking lot there on the left. A church there that's hoping to have more parishioners, I guess, because they put in a parking lot where I thought there was going to be a store there or something. And they got their own little parking lot now. And Maybe it'll promote their services a little bit. I don't know. Since I hadn't narrated this, I thought I'd just plug it in and see, point out. See, there's our set of railroad tracks. Come right through town. There's 66 to the left. 66 turns left and goes down Main Street here. So we are currently on 66 and 48 and 16. We're on all three of them when you go down Main Street. And they split and go their merry ways, piece by piece. Going north of town, it's 48 and 66. And at 3 Mile Corner, 3 miles away from town, hence the name, right? 48 splits off of 66 and goes north to Manford, and all points north, Keystone Lake and all that. And you stay on 66 and you go to Sapulpa. Must be around school time. There was a school bus. So you got to look for all the little kiddies. If you have the opportunity when I'm going home, I can turn left right there and go 10th Street with the light. And sometimes I duck out early and I do that because the 11th Street turn is really always difficult because there seems to always be somebody coming at you. And here, yeah, I had cars coming up at me, and I could have ducked into the driveway there, but see, there's cars there and cars coming, so I decided to go on to 12th. Typical. I just avoid crossing over those people if I can. Here I take it a little early because there's cars coming. And here we are on 12th Street. McDonald's is on the right, booze stores to the left. And this is a big hill coming up right here. You could almost see it on the GoPro early on, but you have to give it some gas and get on up this hill. And actually I'm running on fumes right now. But look at all these new stripes they suddenly, right there, that they suddenly did all around the school for kids' walkways and stuff like that. Pretty little stripes and stuff like that. Kind of cute. And so, you know, somebody's spending some money on something that might be good for the kids. Turn here early on Ash Street and then go 1 block over to my street. And pretty easy run. So we really liked it that you came on board today and looked at this mess of a deal. And the videos coming up are really good. And I'm going back to my 2-camera operation on one of them. And that'll be a little more interesting, a little more work for me, but more interesting to the subscribers. Y'all come and see us next time you're here.